So welcome back to GreenTGarden. Today I'm gonna be harvesting my bottle gourd. As you guys know and watch my video, I'm a big fan of bottle gourd. These are the regular bottle gourd. These are not the speckled ones. So when you harvest in bottle gourd, guys, what you could do, you could turn it around. Oh, I see this one. This one is already getting damaged and bad there. But my point is, you see this lighter spot on the bottom right here? That's an indication, or you could check on the bottom when it starts getting white too. And it's like a lighter green. So once the bottom gets the white, that's a good time to harvest. You could harvest by cutting the top there. Alright, so basically, bottle gourd, guys, could run and literally take over your whole garden. That's a beautiful one. See that? It wasn't touching the ground. It's best when you get these guys running upward on the ceiling or a fence or something like that. Better off from the ground, so they grow more better, and no damage or anything when they're growing above. But you can see these things are monsters. Bottle gourd. So bottle gourd, guys, for a lot of people who don't know, you could eat them. You could eat them 100%. They're a vegetable grown from your garden, and they're good and they're delicious. I never grilled them. I never toss one on the grill, but what I do, I stir fry. I stir fry in a frying pan. Sometimes I add chicken breast to it and lightly stir fry, and it's really delicious. Check in the link in the description. I'm gonna add this seed. I got this seed from Amazon. But before planting bottle gourd, make sure your garden, you have big space, a lot of room. It's a heavy feeder. Add your home compost, fertilizer, everything every week. Once it starts growing every week, because bottle gourd, the plant will literally run. You could tell it start running. It will run. The main stem will run this like straight, but then you have a lot of different branches will come out, and they could take over your garden. So sometimes it's good to prune them. Some bees do not pollinate the bottle gourd flower. I don't know why. The best thing you guys could do is hand pollinate yourself. And the good thing about bottle gourd, guys, you could hand pollinate in the morning and in the afternoon. The flowers open up twice in a day, so that's pretty cool. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I just wanted to show you I'm harvesting my 3 bottle gourd, and thank you so much for watching GreenTGarden. And any question, comment below, guys, and I'll see you next time on GreenTGarden. Quick video right now. Check out my playlist. I have a lot more video.